In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, AI-controlled weapons are no longer just a science fiction concept, but a looming reality. Imagine a battlefield where decisions are made in milliseconds by machines, not humans. These autonomous weapons are designed to identify, target, and eliminate threats without direct human oversight. While this could reduce the risk to soldiers, the ethical and moral implications are staggering. What happens when the lines of accountability blur? Who's responsible when an autonomous drone makes a fatal mistake? The prospect of machines making life-and-death decisions raises questions that humanity isn't ready to answer. Moreover, the accessibility of such technology could lead to a new arms race, where nations and rogue entities strive to build the most advanced and potentially uncontrollable AI arsenals. As we venture into this uncharted territory, it's vital to consider the impact on international laws and human rights. The future is here, and while AI-controlled weapons may promise efficiency, the risks they pose could redefine what